Hey there! In today's video, we're diving into an interesting problem that involves typecasting in C++. The problem we're looking at revolves around the question of whether certain typecasts are allowed and what implications they might have in terms of undefined behavior. It's a bit of a deep dive, so let's get started. Now, let's delve into the solution for the scenario we just discussed. The first step involves using a reinterpret_cast to convert a pointer to an object of type A into a pointer to an integer. This is a crucial part of the process, as it sets the stage for the subsequent operations. By following the rules and guidelines specified in the C++ standard regarding such typecasts, we ensure that the conversion is done correctly in points to the intended object. Building on a previous step, the next part of the solution focuses on another reinterpret_cast operation. This time, we're converting the integer pointer obtained earlier into a pointer to an object of type B. Again, by adhering to the language specifications and guidelines outlined in the standard, we ensure that this conversion is carried out in a precise and well-defined manner. This step sets the stage for further operations involving the pointer and the underlying object. In summary, we've explored a detailed solution to a complex problem concerning typecasting in C++. By following the rules and guidelines set forth in the C++ standard, we've been able to navigate the intricacies of typecasts in pointer conversions effectively. Hopefully, this discussion has shed some light on the nuances of working with pointers and typecasts in C++. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Stay curious and happy coding.